Good afternoon and welcome to my showreel. My name is Mark Murphy and today I'm going to be showing you a little bit about a crafting product. Now this product is called the Mini Scoreboard by Tattered Lace. What does it do? Well, if you are someone who is into crafting, wanting to get into crafting, one of the things you're going to make a lot of is cards, gift cards, birthday cards, invites, all sorts of folded cards. To make any of these things, you're going to need to fold some card. This particular product has two virtues. One is a nice folding system. It does come with a tool for folding and scoring. Place your card on here, run your tool down, and it will give you a nice, crisp, clean, professional looking edge. On the other side, and what I'm going to show you now, is how to make an envelope. It's got a particular set of guides on here which allow you to measure accurately an envelope that will fit a card of your making. I've got a card here that I've made, the Happy Yay Day card, which I'm sure you've all heard of Yay Day. It's a really popular holiday I just made up. And the particular card that I've got here is 10.2 centimeters by 15.3 centimeters, and I need to make an envelope to fit that, and for that I'll need a 21 by 21 sheet of paper. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to find the measure for this, and it says that the scale mark is 8.8, and you can see that I've marked it there. Your scales are down the side here in metric or imperial. You can just basically find your card size from that in whatever system you use. So what I'll do first of all is I will line it up with 8.8 centimeters down here. There it is. And I'll run my tool along there, not too firm, nice crease. Then I'll rotate it 90 degrees. I'll line that up with the score guide now instead of the measurement. And I'll run along there one more time. Now I'll rotate it again and I'll go back to my 8.8. That should line up nicely, run along there, and then I'll run back to my score guide again now, one more time, and there we have it. You can see the creases there in the card, so this is actually paper of course, but now you need to cut out your corners before folding it, so I'll do that now. I've got a very small pair of scissors for this very neat sort of snippy work right for the edges. Now I am rushing this of course because it is only a demo reel, but you can take as much time as you like and use whatever you like to cut these. You can use crafting scissors. I'm using toenail scissors today because I find them to be incredibly detailed for very small work like cutting these out. Your crafting tool is not over with yet. You've got a nice flat plastic ABS unit here. What we're going to do is we're going to fold on the neat edge that we've made, and it will give us a good line, but to give it a really crisp line, run your tool along it like that. Then we'll fold the sides in, like so. Run the tool along it so you can see. Now the other side, bring that in, run the tool along it again, and then the top, finally, run it along there. And we've got one envelope. So now you've got your envelope, you can glue it as you see fit. And I'll just place my card in there to prove that the concept does indeed work. It's not glued together of course, but there we go, one card in an envelope, ready to post to whoever for whatever your purpose is. That is the Tattered Lace Mini Scoreboard with scoring and folding tool. My name is Mark Murphy. This has been my demo reel. Please get in contact and give me any feedback you've got. Thank you. Bye-bye.